What's up, JAFRA Beauties? I am so excited to share with you one of our latest products, JAFRA Beauty Cream Blush. Absolutely gorgeous, delivers a radiant glow to your skin, and comes in 4 shades. This one is called Amber Glow. We've also got Cerise. We also have Hot Coral. And one of my favorites, Merlotish. Means it's kind of Merlot, kind of not. So I'm going to show you how to use each one of these, how to stack them up, and show you how they get a great punch of color, whether you just want to sheer it out and get a little bit of a glow, or you really need that color to pop. Let's check it out. Now, as you can see, these are pretty bright when you're looking at them, but wow, they deliver the most beautiful color. So I'm going to show you quickly how you can use it for yourself. I'm going to take just a little bit on my ring finger. Notice what I did when I said just a little bit. I really meant just a little bit. Now, if you have medium, deep to deep skin tones, you may want to add just a little bit more. So I'm just going to put about 3 little dots right here and begin to blend it out. You can use 2 fingers if you prefer. And I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more. I like stacking my blush and building it gradually. That way you don't have a lot to work with and you've got to keep shearing it out and keep blending. This way you can just add gradually. Just going right on the cheekbone. I do prefer to have blush a little bit darker towards the hairline and fade toward the nose. But right on that cheekbone is going to give you the most beautiful glow. All right, you can see how incredible that looks. It just warmed up my cheek. Now I'm going to show you another shade, and I'll show you a different type of application technique with it. Now this one is called Cerise. Really beautiful, bright pink. But I don't want you to be taken aback by how bright it is. It applies beautifully. So I'm going to just go ahead and do the 3 dots on my cheek like I just showed you. Keeping most of it toward my hairline, fade toward the nose, I'll now take my JAFRA Beauty foundation brush and gently blend. Ooh la la, that's so pretty. And that's just a beautiful pink. Now you can tell my skin is slightly fair. I'm more of a medium fair, and I got a great pop out of those 3 little dots that I used. So if you've got deeper skin, remember, you can add just a little bit more. Let's try the next shade. Next, I'm going to start with Hot Coral. I'll use the same application technique just to get it on my cheek. Darker back here. Fade toward my nose. Now this is a little bit more of a kind of a burnt orange compared to the other. The Amber Glow was much brighter, and this has a deeper burnt orange. This is gorgeous. Love this one. All right, let's try the one I've been waiting for, Merlot-ish. Kind of Merlot, kind of not. So I'll take a little bit of that one. Apply my 3 dots. Actually, I'm putting a little bit more. I really like this one. I'm going to stack it up. This is a great one. And then I'll shear it out a little bit with that foundation brush again. Wow, that looks great. You know something else I think I would like? Just stacking it right in with my lipstick looks beautiful too. So you could use this on your lips, brighten it up, or shine it up with a little bit of lip gloss on top of it. And what a great way to get a monochromatic look by having your lips, your cheeks, and your eyes match. I bet you could use this as a cream eyeshadow as well. I hope you guys like these blushes as much as I do. I absolutely can't wait to try a sunset blush where I can fade the colors, mix them together, or even use them as an eyeshadow and a lipstick like I showed you.